stocks of US gaming company have recently skyrocketed by over 2000%. Why? Where? When? GameStop is an American video game reseller and merchandise company. Through most of 2020, GameStop trades have lazily traded on New York Stock Exchange for about $4, give or take, just minding its own business. But not for long. In less than a week, the stocks have skyrocketed to almost $350, a jump of almost 2000%. In the same day, it then shrunk to half of its ballooned value. Stock prices typically rise steadily as a result of strong company fundamentals, increased profits, and adoption of new services and products by larger consumers, basically when the company is doing well. Now, taking a trillion-dollar company like Apple shares have grown about 80% in past 4 years. Apple is doing exceptionally well. GameStop is a brick and a mortar retailer, and the only innovative thing that it has done in past year is to open its retail store during coronavirus crisis by calling itself Essential Services. Yeah. So what happened with GameStop? Reddit, the power of crowd, the power of digital influence. This is war between Wall Street traders and Wall Street bets.
This is Sparta!
GameStop is last of its kind of retail stores still operating at the age of internet downloads. The stock has been consistently diving since many years. Faster than Titanic. Someone on Reddit noticed the hedge funds heavily short-selling the stock. Then a group of amateur day traders at Reddit Wall Street Bets thread started to get involved. They further convinced more people of the thread to invest more and more on GameStop stocks. This further led to an increase in stock prices. This counter-attack eventually saw the hedge funds begin to lose massive amounts of money to a point where they had to close or were unable to keep their ships afloat with billions of dollars of losses. This firestorm reached to a point where many popular trading platforms, including Robinhood, banned the buying of GameStop stocks from their trading platforms. Traders were left with no other option but to sell the stocks, which inevitably led to the fall in stock prices. Economics 101: Demand and Supply. This blatant manipulation potentially to protect the hedge funds led many people talking, including the White House, by saying that it is monitoring the situation. Stocks will continue to rise and fall, but it is a good opportunity for us to reflect the societal dynamics here. What kind of human behavior do these events bring forth? This isn't the first time since mass manipulation has occurred, and certainly not the last. We've seen how social media can influence voters and elections, how political leaders can incite mobs to do unimaginable, and how fake news can kill masses, and how one tweet from an influential figure can make things happen or can trigger things around the globe. As a citizen of tightly interconnected world, it is our responsibility to know what is being fed to us and take actions that can lead to more meaningful, peaceful and sustainable life for us as well as those people around us. Equity encourages you to invest in due diligence before you act on anything that you see online, whether it is in which stock to trade in, which leader to vote for, or which news to believe in. May the wisdom of crowd supplement your individual wisdom and not replace it. For such updates, follow us on Twitter and Instagram. The links are below in the description. Do subscribe our channel, like our video, and do not forget to write your opinion in the comment section. Till then, bye.